Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here with Total Shape. And if you're thinking of using Hone Health specifically for their TRT service, you gotta watch my video to the end because I tried to use their service out, tried to give them the old college try, and I can't recommend them for a few reasons I'm gonna list in this video, but luckily I ended up coming across a really great service that I can, in good faith, recommend because they're a phenomenal service and their stuff really works. It's called Fountain TRT. I'm leaving a link down below that will give you a great deal on Fountain TRT if you wanna try them out yourself. Now, I'll get to Fountain TRT and why I ended up going with them in a minute, but let me explain why Hone Health just doesn't really do it for me. Hone Health is one of the cheapest online basically therapies you can find for anything, right? TRT, whatever else they offer. But here's the thing, it comes at, first of all, a terrible price because they didn't even ship the stuff that I ordered to the right address, right? So it was like, I live on the East Coast in the US and it went to like Montana or something. So, but the thing is, I should have seen that coming from the beginning because you don't even have an actual online consultation with a professional provider. It's all this like text questionnaire that like, not for nothing, but if I'm gonna take testosterone therapy, okay, and I'm really considering that, and I'm really considering like basically affecting my hormones, I have questions. I wanna know, what dosage should I start with? I wanna know if I'm even an eligible candidate or if I should wait a little bit. Are my testosterone levels dictating I should start this right away? Should I try some lifestyle changes first? Not to mention, I wanna know if the TRT therapy is gonna interfere with any other medications or supplements that I'm taking. And this little like wannabe consultation via text just doesn't do it. And guess what? If you wanna have a consultation with one of their professionals, they charge you. Telehealth is big right now. And especially regarding testosterone replacement therapy. If you can't, as part of your introductory package or as part of the monthly charge that I'm gonna be paying for, if you can't include a video consultation where I can ask the important questions I have to ask, I just can't trust you, therefore I can't use you, therefore I can't recommend you. So I ended up doing all this research, trying to find the right TRT clinic, and Fountain TRT came across my lap because of a friend of mine that referred me to them. I really trust this guy. Long story short, totally different experience. Fountain TRT basically charges you one price. They're extremely transparent, ethical too. They weren't trying to sell me or nothing. So, and it's pretty much mid-tier pricing. It's not it's not high end. It's definitely not on the low end. It's right in the middle. It's about 200 bucks a month. Again, that link will save you some money. For that 200 bucks a month, however, you're getting everything. It's an all-inclusive package, including access to their clinicians so you can ask questions, guess what? Whenever you need or want. Period. Which again, is only the right thing to do if you're gonna have a telehealth service prescribing things that are affecting your hormones, you know what I'm saying? And the transparency and ethical and integrity of the company is what I was most impressed with. And of course the stuff was extremely effective. They offer other things too. I chose the body cream. You put it on your arm every day or every other day, depending on your preference. And I saw the results right away. My sleep's been better. My muscle gaining has come back. My metabolism is slowly getting better, I've noticed. Even though TRT therapy doesn't directly affect your metabolism, it affects your basically your quality of sleep, and there's a lot of other, which that will affect a lot of other things too. But as a result of my quality of sleep being better, and I'm assuming like other, just biological things improving in general, my metabolism has increased quite a bit. In fact, I would say because my testosterone has increased, the intensity with which I can work out has increased, and therefore my, torching fat and building muscle is increased also. It's all sort of this ecosystem of self-improvement that TRT gets you, And Fountain TRT is delivered pretty much, 10 out of 10. Again, they're mid-price. They're not the cheapest ones out there, so I guess you could consider that a con, but to me, for the customer service and the access to a clinician that you get, to me, it's well worth the price, guys. Again, this is a very general video. If you have any specific questions about my experience, I'm more than happy to answer them. Drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video.